Now, speaking of staining, I wasn't really going to talk about this yet, but since I'm going, I might as well keep talking about it, because there's one other thing. Sometimes you get a pack at the store, and maybe you get the Hudson sprayer, a stain, and 2 different colors of stain, 2 different gallon containers of stain, and then you get a sealer in there, and you can buy it as a kit. You can try it that way. But you know what? My experience has been on the darker stain. I tried that one time. I put the lighter stain on first. It told me to put the lighter stain on. Oh, that went on really good with the Hudson sprayer. I got it variegated, looking really nice. They told me to put the dark stuff on next, you know, a little bit here and there, or patches. And that stuff came out of the Hudson sprayer, bigger droplets. And it must have been like that. I thought there was something wrong with it, with the Hudson sprayer. I cleaned it out. I put some more in there, and it still came out with bigger droplets, and I didn't really like the look. So I thought, okay, if I ever do that again, maybe I'll put the dark stuff on first, you know, in a couple different areas, and then put the lighter over that. But what I came to realize, and I did that one time, what I came to realize, things got too dark, and then I had to rub it down, and the floor came out a lot darker. And this, believe it or not, I know for a fact that this floor was done with just 1 color of stain. Yeah, can you believe it? Look at that. You spray it on there right, it picks up all kinds of different things off of the floor, and it almost looks like there was 2 colors of stain put on here strategically, doesn't it? But it's only 1, and that's what I'm going to try over here, and that's why I'm hoping that these tiles, this glue over here, comes off all the way. Okay, if I can, where these test patterns are, and if you haven't been watching me, I'm taking 2 tests here. I got orange oil here, an orange oil cleaner, and then I've got another different type of cleaner over there. That's called Energy Plus 680, and I'm not even sure where you get that, but if you can't find this Energy Plus 680, and I just happen to have the brochure here, but if you can't find that in your local area, you can go to a carpet wholesale outlet or a cleaning supply wholesale office and ask them what they might suggest to get this off your floor. Okay, and they'll probably have a similar product. So if I can get all this up, my stain, 1 coat of stain on that, it's going to pick up all kinds of luscious things on this floor. You know, the older the better. You walk into some office areas or some grocery stores and you look at the floor and you think, wow, how'd they do that? Look at all these things, and you see the hairline cracks, and you see concrete trenches that have been patched years ago, walls coming out and stuff, and it just picks up all kinds of good stuff. Okay, so that's what I'm hoping to do on this floor.